टॉपिक आहे स्पेसिफिक हीट अँड लॉ ऑफ इक्विपार्टिशन ऑफ एनर्जी. ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण शिकणार आहोत स्पेसिफिक हीट कॅपॅसिटी ॲट कॉन्स्टंट व्हॉल्यूम अँड कॉन्स्टंट प्रेशर ऑफ मोनोॲटॉमिक, डायॲटॉमिक अँड पॉलीॲटॉमिक गॅस बाय युजिंग द लॉ ऑफ इक्विपार्टिशन ऑफ एनर्जी. आणि यावर आधारित आपल्याला एक न्यूमरिकल सॉल्व करायचं आहे. न्यूमरिकल इज लाईक दिस: determine specific heat of 1 mole of monoatomic and diatomic gas at number 1 constant volume and number 2 constant pressure, given capital R is equal to 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. So in the last video we have studied that degrees of freedom and law of equipartition of energy. So for each degree of freedom of 1 mole of gas, the energy is 1 by 2 Na into kBT, where Na is Avogadro number and Kb is Boltzmann constant and capital T is nothing but absolute temperature. Now let us consider monoatomic gas molecule. For 1 mole of monoatomic gas, there are 3 degrees of freedom. All these 3 degrees of freedom are translational degrees of freedom. For each degree of freedom, the energy is 1 by 2 Na kBT. So total energy for monoatomic gas is 3 by 2 Na kBT. Now Cv is given by Cv is equal to 1 by m dq upon dt. For 1 mole of a gas, m is equal to 1. Now dq is nothing but the energy of the gas molecule and dt is nothing but absolute temperature. Therefore Cv is equal to E upon T. Putting the value of E from this equation, we get 3 by 2 Na into Kb. Tt gets cancelled. Also we know that Na into Kb is nothing but gas constant R. Therefore Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. So for monoatomic molecule or monoatomic gas, 1 mole gas, Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. From Mayer's relation, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. लास्ट व्हिडिओ तुम्ही पाहून घ्या, त्यामध्ये मेयर्स रिलेशन आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. पुटिंग द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ Cv, Cp minus 3 by 2 R is equal to R, or Cp is equal to R plus 3 by 2 R, or Cp is equal to 5 by 2 R. So we get Cp is equal to 5 by 2 R. And gamma is the ratio of specific heat, Cp upon Cv. It is called as gamma. Putting the value of Cp and Cv, we get 5 by 3. 2 and R gets cancelled. So gamma is equal to 5 by 3. Now let us consider diatomic gas. In case of diatomic gas, the molecule may be rigid or non-rigid. So for each case, the degrees of freedom are different. So let us consider the rigid molecule and diatomic gas of 1 mole. Then in case of diatomic gas, there are 3 degrees of freedom for translational motion and 2 degrees of freedom for rotational motion. Last video मध्ये आपण हे शिकलेलो आहोत. So total there are 5 degrees of freedom. Hence total energy is 5 times 1 by 2 Na kBT, or it is equal to 5 by 2 Na kb into T. Already we have discussed that Cv is equal to E upon T. Therefore, it is equal to 5 by 2 Na kb. Also, we have discussed that Na is equal into kb is equal to capital R. Therefore, Cv is equal to 5 by 2 R, and Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Mayer's relation. Putting the value of Cp minus 5 by 2 R is equal to R, or Cp is equal to R plus 5 by 2 R, or Cp is equal to 7 by 2 R. So for diatomic gas where the molecule is rigid, we get Cv is equal to 5 by 2 R, Cp is equal to 7 by 2 R, and gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv. Putting the value of Cp 7 by 2 R and Cv 5 by 2 R, R by 2 R by 2 cancel, we get 7 by 5. So gamma is equal to 7 by 5. Now let us consider diatomic gas, but here the molecule is non-rigid. If the molecule is non-rigid, there are two additional degrees of freedom that are called as two vibrational degrees of freedom. Vibrational degree of freedom. So total degrees of freedom are 7 for diatomic gas which is non-rigid. Then the total energy is number of degrees of freedom multiplied by 1 by 2 Na kBT. So it is equal to 7 by 2 Na kBT. Cv is equal to E upon T. It is equal to 7 by 2 Na into kb, or Cv is equal to 7 by 2 R. Na into kb is equal to R. So for diatomic gas which is non-rigid molecule, which consists of non-rigid molecule, Cv is equal to 7 by 2 R. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. It is called as Mayer's relation. Putting the value of Cv, Cp minus 7 by 2 R is equal to R, or Cp is equal to R plus 7 by 2 R, or Cp is equal to 9 by 2 R. Therefore, we get Cp is equal to 9 by 2 R, and gamma is the ratio of specific heat Cp upon Cv. So putting the value of Cp 9 by 2 R, and Cv is 7 by 2 R, or 2 by 7 R. 2 cancel, R cancel. So gamma is equal to 9 by 7. Now let us consider polyatomic gas. Polyatomic gas consists of more than 2 atoms in a molecule, and the degrees of freedom depends upon the structure of the molecule. In case of polyatomic gas, there are 3 translational degrees of freedom, 3 rotational degrees of freedom, and F times vibrational degrees of freedom. Now, in case of translational degrees of freedom, for each degree of freedom, the energy is 1 by 2 Na kBT. So, the energy for 3 translational degrees of freedom is 3 by 2 Na kb into T. Similarly, for rotational degree of freedom, for each degree of freedom, the energy is 1 by 2 Na kBT. So, total energy is 3 by 2 Na kBT. But in case of vibrational degrees of freedom, there are 2 energies. One is the energy due to motion, and one is the energy due to the position. that is kinetic energy and potential energy. For each kinetic energy and potential energy, the energy is Na kBt 1 by 2 Na kBt. So for one vibrational degree of freedom, the total energy is 1 by 2 kBt plus 1 by 2 kBt, that is 2 by 2 kBt, Na kBt. So it is Na into kB into T. So there are F vibrational degrees of freedom, therefore the energy is F times Na kB into T. So adding these three energies, we get the total energy of polyatomic gas, that is E is equal to 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus F into Na kB into T. So 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 6 by 2, that is 3. So total energy is E is equal to 3 plus F Na kB into T. Now Cv is equal to E upon T. So it is equal to 3 plus F Na into kB, or Cv is equal to 3 plus F into R. Na into kB is equal to R. Cp minus Cv is equal to R, Mayer's relation. Therefore Cp is equal to R plus Cv. Putting the value of Cv, we get R plus 3 plus F into R, or R is taken common, 1 plus 3 plus F, or it is equal to 4 plus F into R. Gamma is given by ratio of specific heat Cp upon Cv. So putting the value of Cp is 4 plus F into R divided by Cv is 3 plus F into R. Therefore gamma is equal to 4 plus F divided by 3 plus F. So this is the theory of specific heat and law of equipartition of energy. Now let us try to solve our numerical example by using the formulas given here. So first of all, consider monoatomic gas. In case of monoatomic gas at constant volume, the specific heat is given by Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. Putting the value of R, 3 multiplied by value of R is 8.314 divided by 2, or 3 multiplied by 8.314 upon 2 is 4.157. So multiplied by 3, we get 1. 12.471 joule. Now Cp is given by Cp is equal to 5 by 2 R, or it is equal to 5 multiplied by 8.314 divided by 2, or 5 multiplied by 8 upon 8.314 upon 2 is 4.157. So multiply by 5, we get 20.785 joule. Now let us consider the diatomic gas. Now suppose that the diatomic gas is rigid, then by using this formula for diatomic gas, rigid molecule, Cv is equal to 5 by 2 R. Putting the value of R, 5 multiplied by 8.314 divided by 2. Already we have calculated the value of 5 into 8.314 upon 2. It is equal to 20.785 joule. And Cp is equal to 7 by 2 R. 7 multiplied by 8.314 upon 2 or 7 multiplied by 4.157, and the answer is 29.099 joule.